Hi there, what's happening? How are you today? Yes, we have here an additional with seven puzzles. Um, in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June the 23rd, 2022. We have here seven puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, the 3 stars, the Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, cipher block. Yes. Tectonic with 1 star and the binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. 4 of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But first, the 3 stars Sudoku number 4743. 4743. Well, my pencil. Let me change the pencil. 4743. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. We have here 2 twos, 2 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the ones are a majority. Let me check if I can start with 1. Well, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row, the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square, so no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. All right. 8. Yeah. Then. How about the number? Let me see which number can I pick. How about a 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column? So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Right. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. How about the 4 then? 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then. How about 7, 3, 2, 2, 2. We have a pair, 2 and a 7 in the first row, 2 and a 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and 2, 7 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for numbers. For the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And now. 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 6. 6. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8. Sorry. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 and a 3 in this row. So no 8 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 3, 8 and 3 in this big square. We see an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then 1, 7, 6. Well. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, and look, we have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7, we have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 1. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 in this last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 4 and the 9. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. How about 2, 3. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Then 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 4 stars puzzle. Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.